Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. Well, my last spotlight, Gina Williams, I know pretty well. This spotlight, Dr. Kevin Gazzara, is a brand new contact here on LinkedIn, and I've never met the guy in person. Well, he does live in Phoenix, Arizona, and I lived there for 3.5 years. So when I visit next, possibly I will have a new friend to visit there. So this is what Dr. Kevin Gazzara has to say about himself, and I sure like what I'm reading about him. He is a technical and engineering positive intelligence coach and leadership professional, keynote speaker, author, and professor. He says, "My passion is working alongside the best technical leaders around the world. I openly give 30 plus years of my best tools to help managers hire and retain their best people. As a result, they consistently build the best results-oriented cultures. I am so proud of these leaders who have chosen to become the best." At Magna Leadership Solutions, we are trusted advisors for executives of small to mid-sized organizations who realize an investment in emerging leaders solves their growth and engagement challenges. So that, my friends, is Dr. Kevin Gazzara. And again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and you can find me right here on LinkedIn or at laurahandke.com.